Learning to screen print can be challenging. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid when you're just starting out. Let's start with mesh counts. You'll need specific mesh counts for different designs. Higher mesh counts give more detail, while lower mesh counts are better for bold designs. Something else to keep in mind is the amount of pressure you're applying on your screen while printing. While flooding your screen, be sure not to apply too much pressure. The ink should be spread evenly across the stencil, not through it. During printing, apply even pressure to force the ink through the screen without bending your squeegee too much. Which brings us to squeegee angle. It's easy to get carried away and tilt your squeegee too far while printing. Keep your squeegee at around a 70-degree angle if you're pulling and 45-degree angle if you're pushing.